Hi, I'm Lori from Mom to the Nines and welcome to my channel. I've got some great gift ideas for you. They're simple, inexpensive, and beautiful. The first are colored wrap pencils. These look expensive but cost pennies to make, and a covered book goes along with these. I love these wooden spoons. They're simple, classy, and a perfect gift. I also give you a couple great wrapping ideas for these. This woodboard collage is a great gift for parents or grandparents, or to display your own photography. The lavender sachets are simple and look like they came right out of a boutique. I have a no-sew version that is even simpler than these and take about 5 minutes to make and still look great. This gift is perfect for those who love wine or champagne. I would love to get a bottle of wine in this vintage-inspired gift bag. I also offer a no-sew version of this beautiful gift bag. There are links for each one of these gifts in the description below or at the end of the video. Check them out, and I hope that you enjoy being creative and doing something fun and giving a homemade gift. You can do something that's beautiful and looks amazing. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe and share this video with someone you know who needs some inspiration.